This video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall the AnyDesk software from Windows 11 PC. So to completely remove or uninstall the AnyDesk, just need to go to the search bar and search for control panel. After searching for the control panel, open this. Then here you just need to find the programs and features option. Click on it. And here you need to find the AnyDesk application. As you can see, here's the AnyDesk applications. So you just have to click on it and find the option called and change. Click on the uninstall and change. Then you just need to check mark these remove configuration files and click on uninstall. And now just wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, AnyDesk has been removed. Now just click OK. So this is how you can uninstall or completely remove the AnyDesk from your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.